Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to insert the both SIM card, SIM 1, SIM 2 in your Honor 20. To do this operation you need to have a key like this and put it in the small hole on the left side of the upper corner of your phone. Push it and here you have a place for the boot of SIM card. And just install it here. First SIM card, second SIM card, and just install it into your phone. That's it. And now the phone gonna be connect with your network provider. Here, as you see, 1 and 2 SIM card is connect. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.